In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Gmail. This is a handy skill to have when you want to present data neatly in your emails. Whether sharing a simple chart or a detailed table with numbers and text, the process is straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive right in and get started. First, the simplest and most reliable method to insert a table in Gmail is by using Google Docs or Google Sheets. Let's begin by opening Google Docs if you're dealing with a simple text layout, or Google Sheets if your table includes numbers or any complex data. These tools are incredibly useful for creating tables because they provide a variety of formatting options that allow you to customize your table according to your needs. Once you've opened your chosen application, go ahead and create or format the table you wish to send via email. If you're not familiar with creating tables, Google Docs and Sheets have intuitive features that make it easy to adjust rows, columns, and cell data. If you're using Google Sheets, you can also incorporate formulas and functions if needed. After your table is ready and formatted just the way you like it, the next step is to highlight the entire table. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl+C to copy the table to your clipboard. If you're using a Mac, you can do this by pressing Command+C. This copied table is now ready to be transferred to your email. Next, navigate over to Gmail and click on the Compose button to start drafting your email. In the body of the email, place your cursor where you want the table to appear, typically at the main section where you're addressing your recipient. Once you're ready to insert the table, simply paste it into the email body by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Voila! You'll see that your table appears perfectly formatted inside your email. It's a seamless process that maintains the look and function of your original table, making it easy for your recipients to read and understand the data you're presenting. Here's a nifty tip. It's generally a good idea to use Google Sheets if your data involves numbers or any kind of formula. For more straightforward text-heavy layouts, Google Docs can be more efficient and simple to use. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to insert a table directly into your Gmail emails, allowing you to convey information clearly and professionally. Try it out and see how effectively you can communicate using tables in your future emails. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing!